thank Mia. Zoe, what did you think of Mia's song choice for tonight?
First of all, I would like to start by saying it's nice to have you back here performing live, because your online videos don't do your voice justice. Like, when you perform live, your tone is so raspy and like pretty and breathy. It's so beautiful. I like during this bit, like your version of the song. I like this, like the way you did it. The like what's it called? Yeah, that's the one. Thank you. Whoever said that. Yeah, but I can't help. Every time I hear you sing, I can't help but thinking there's so much more. Like, there's so much more you can offer us, and I can feel that. Like, you just need a couple of lessons with our vocal coach, Louise. Yeah, like your breathing and stuff. I can see it's up here and gnawing your diaphragm, but that's all stuff we can work on. Nevertheless, I thought it was a really pretty, beautiful performance. So well done.
Louise!
Yeah, Mia, you've got a gorgeous tone. Really natural, raspy, just like Zoe said. Really stunning. I like the fact you had the acoustic track because it suits you. It's like you know what's good for you and you chose that, and I'm glad you did that. I think a bigger track would have overshone you because your voice is so unique and so raspy at the bottom there. It would have kind of overpowered you, so that was a perfect choice of track. I think you seem to be a bit nervous, and I think it showed in your voice in little places. Just be careful with your phrasing. Sometimes you tend to like slide up to a note and then you're a bit late for the next phrase, but I think that's just nerves, so that'll come with time. The more you do this week after week, you're just going to get better and better, and you're going to get more used to being in front of a crowd. But Zoe's right as well. I'm glad she's listened to me in her lessons, because you do tend to breathe up here a bit, and you'll have more of a secure sound if you're breathing right down below. So I think like something like vocal coaching would do absolute wonders for you, if not with me, with someone else, but it would work absolute wonders with you because you've got so much potential there. But you should be really proud of yourself. Well done, darling.
Yeah, Mia, I mean, welcome back, like, because obviously we've had to do online performances and stuff. It is so nice to see you back up there. It is that sort of tone. I mean, like I said, the image I get is the sort of Florence and the Machine and this sort of really like breathiness, London grammar, that sort of vibe. And now you've found that, you've established that over the last couple of weeks because of the song choices that we've been selecting, that a bit more that. When you came to me with this choice, I was like, on paper, I was like, this can't do that one, that's very technical, that song is, that's not going to work, it's not going to work, because it's not the sort of song, the sound that you usually make, you know. But when you showed me this, I was like, wow, this is really unique and pretty, to take on such a song that's got so much movement vocally and strip it back and keep it very simplified like that. There is still a long way to go, there is still work to be done, you know, you're still learning, but gotta give you credit from where you was, you know, when I met you a few weeks ago to now is a drastic level in change vocally. You've really started to find who you are as an artist, and that, I can't ask for no more than that. So keep working on that. You know who you are, you know that uniqueness you've got. Keep bringing that into your songs, using the tracks that suit it, and that is the right path. Everything else will start to grow with it. Well done. Beautiful. Round of applause, guys, for Mia.